Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the install button is missing or disappearing in Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. So let me show you one thing. When you open the Microsoft Store, so there are many apps. Now let's say that you wanted to install this app, okay, Shaper 3D. So there might be another kind of a button where it says paused or it may say get or something like that. So if that is the case, if you get the get option here, if you get the get button here, then simply click on get, it's the same thing. But if you're not getting any button at all, then reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. It will reopen it. It will delete its cache. And now this time, let's say that I will search for the app once again. Let's say if I say get any button here. Okay, I think I will get the get button here. And the last one is to re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a script for you and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.